Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Revision Grade 4 Math Revision Sheet. Welcome back, Grade 4. Question number 1. Use patterns to find the quotient. 210 divided by 7. Just to find the quotient here, we will look for the main fact. The main fact here is 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7 equals what? Equals 3. So how many extra zero we have? Just 1 0. So the quotient will be 30. Okay. Question number 2. Use patterns to find the quotient. 420 divided by 6. By the same way, the main fact here is 42 divided by 6. 42 divided by 6 equals what? Equals 7. So how many extra zero? Just 1 0. So the quotient will be 70. The answer is question number 3. Divide what? 20 divided by 6. If I ask you 20 divided by 6 equals what? Just we are looking for a number times 6 will give you a number close to be 20. This number is what? Is 3. 3 times 6 equals what? Equals 18. Write a line, subtract. 20 minus 18, it will be 2. So the remainder here will be 2. So the quotient will be 3 with remainder 2. The correct answer is C. Question number 4. 29 divided by 9. What number times 9 will give you a number close to be 29? This number is 3. We write 3. 3 times 9, it will be 27. Write a line. Then we subtract 29 minus 27, it will be 2. So the quotient will be 3 with the remainder 2. 3 with the remainder 2, the answer is C. Question number 5. Julio is putting 83 photographs in 9 photo albums. If he plans to divide them evenly, then divide, so we will divide by. Okay, the operation here is division. Them evenly means equally. Okay, he asked here how many photographs will be put in each photo album. Okay, this is the first question. To find number of photographs will be put in each album, just we will divide 83 divided by what? Divided by what? 9. Okay, what about second question? He is asking here how many photographs will be left over. He said here left over, so he is asking about the remainder. Okay, we can find the remainder to answer the second question. So we will divide 83 by 9. Just we will draw here the long division. We can draw it here like this. Okay, we have here 83 divided by 9. You can find it mentally by the way. It will be 9. 9 times 9, 81. Write a line, subtract, it will be 2. So the remainder is 2. Don't forget, the answer of the first equation is the quotient. The answer of the second will be the remainder. So 9 with remainder 2. He said 10 with 2. Number B, 9 with 2. So the answer is number B. Question number 6. Omar is giving away 65 fair tickets. Okay, how many total tickets? It will be 65. How many friends? It will be 7. If he plans to divide it evenly means equally, so we will divide. Question number 1, he said here how many fair tickets will each friend receive. To find number of tickets will each friend receive, just we will divide 65 divided by 7 and find the quotient. Second, he is asking here how many fair tickets will be left over. When he say left over, okay, so he is asking here about the remainder. So we can divide now. Divide what by what? Divide 65 divided by 7. So we can write the long division now like this. Okay, I have here 65 divided by 7. If I ask you what number times 7 will give you a number close to be 65, we can try from 7. If I ask you 7 times 7, it will be 49, and 7 times 8, it will be 56. We have here 7 times 9 will give you a number 63. So look here, the difference between 63 and the 65 just 2. So the closest number to 65 is 63 and is less than 65. So we will try 9 here. Just we write 9. 9 times 7, it will be 63. 63. Write a line, subtract, it will be 2. So the quotient will be 9 with remainder 2. So number of tickets will be 9 and number of tickets will be left over, it will be 2. So 9 with remainder 2. 9 and 2. Look here, number A 10, 2. B 8, 9. C, look, C is what? 9 and 2. So the answer is C. Question number 7. Divide, check your answer. Divide what? 271 divided by 7. So we have here 3-digit number divided by 1-digit number. So when we divide, we start with the left and take digit by digit. If I ask you 2 divided by 7, it doesn't work. So we will take the first 2 digit, which is 27. 27 divided by 7. So try what number times 7 will give you 27, or will give you a number close to be 27, and this number will be less than 27. This number is 3, and when we write 3, we write the number here, which is in the quotient above the last digit, we take it. Okay, so we write 3 here, then we can multiply 3 by 7, it will be 21. Write a line, subtract 27 minus 21, it will be 6. Okay, what is the second step? The second step, just bring down 1, it will be 61. 61 divided by 7, we studied before. If we try here 9 times 7, it will be 63, and the 63 is greater than 61. So we will try a number less than 9. This number is what? Is 8. We write 8 here. 8 times 7, it will be 56. Write a line and subtract 61 minus 56, it will be 5. Look here, the remainder here is 5. Okay, is less than the divisor. If the remainder is less than the divisor, so you are correct. Okay, but if the remainder here is greater than the divisor, pay attention, you are not correct. Okay, so the remainder must be less than the divisor. So I am correct, 5 is less than 7, so the remainder here is 5. So the quotient will be 38 with the remainder 5. The answer is B. Number 8, he said divide and check your answer. 319 divided by 4. By the same way, we will draw a long division here. Okay, just to draw it here. We have here 319 divided by 4. We can write it. We will take the first 2 digits. 31 divided by 4, it will be 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. Write a line and subtract. The remainder will be 3. And bring down the last digit, which is 9. So we have 39 divided by 4. It will be 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. Write a line, subtract, it will be 3. So the quotient will be 79 with the remainder 3. So the correct answer is B. Look, he asked it here, check your answer. How can you check your answer? How can you make sure that you are correct? Just to find or to verify or check your answer, just we will multiply the quotient by the divisor. The quotient, which is 79 times 4, and add what? And add the remainder. If we get the divisor, the dividend, sorry, which is 319, So I am correct. We can check our answer here in this part. We have here 79 times 4. This is the first step. 79 times 4. We studied before how can we multiply by one digit number. 4 times 9, it will be 36. Write 6 and keep 3 up. 4 times 7, it will be 28. 28 plus 3, it will be 31. So we have here 316. Step 2, just we will add 316 plus what? The remainder here is 3. So it will be 390. Look here, 390 here is what? Is the dividend. So I am correct. So again, how can you check your answer? Just we will multiply the quotient by the divisor and add the remainder. Quotient, just quotient, multiply divisor, okay, plus remainder. If we get the dividend, okay, so we are correct. This is, we can make it in 2 steps. How can you check your answer in division? Number 9, what's the average or the mean of these values? 30, 27, 29, 31, and 33. To find the mean of a set of values equals what? We have here a rule. We must study this rule. Mean equals what? The sum of these values, okay, divided by n. Which n? N is what? N, this is the number of values. So the first step, count how many values we have. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so to find the mean here, we can find it in 2 steps. Step 1, just we will add all the values. We have here 30 plus 27 plus 29 plus 31 plus 33. We can find it, or we can write it as a column addition, okay? And don't forget to order the numbers above each other, okay? The ones place under ones place, and tens place under tens place, and so on. So don't forget to write the numbers above each other. If we add these values, we can add 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 17 plus 3, it will be 20. Write 0 and carry 2 over 3, becomes 5. 5 plus 2, it will be 7, 7 plus 2, it will be 9, 9 plus 3, it will be 12, 12 plus 3, it will be what here? 12 plus 3, it will be 50. So the sum is 150. Okay, so number of values equals what, guys? We can count it. It will be 5 values. Okay, n will be 5 values. So mean equals 150 divided by 5. We can find it mentally. The main fact, 15 divided by 5, it will be 3. And how many extra 0 we have? Just 1 0. So we write 0. So the mean, it will be 30. The correct answer is C.